Dumpster rental service in Harleysville, Pennsylvania. When you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Harleysville, Pennsylvania, Blue Dumpsters Incorporated is here to provide dependable waste disposal solutions for projects of all sizes. Whether you're tackling a residential cleanout, a renovation, or a large commercial project, we have the right dumpster to meet your needs. Our team ensures timely delivery and prompt pickup, keeping your project moving forward without unnecessary delays. We understand the importance of efficiency and strive to make the rental process simple and hassle-free so you can focus on completing your project successfully. At Blue Dumpsters Incorporated, we are dedicated to environmentally responsible waste disposal. Our commitment to proper waste management contributes to a cleaner and healthier community. You can trust us to handle your waste responsibly and comply with best practices. If you're unsure which dumpster to choose, our knowledgeable team is here to guide you and provide support throughout the rental process. We are always available to answer your questions and address any concerns. Call us today at 215-999-2583 to reserve your dumpster rental service and experience the difference of working with a trusted, customer-focused team. Blue Dumpsters Incorporated, your reliable partner for waste management solutions.